This is how to measure with your ruler. First, notice that your ruler has two sets of measurement. One is an inch measurement, and one is a centimeter measurement. Yes, it has a millimeter marked here, but that means each one of those little marks is a millimeter. The whole number is a centimeter. There are 10 spaces in each one of these centimeters. So when you measure with centimeters, each space is 1 decimal point of the centimeter. When you measure in inches, there's 16 spaces on this ruler. That's because half of an inch is a half inch, half of a half is a quarter inch, half of a quarter is an eighth of an inch, half of an eighth is a 16th of an inch. Every little mark here is out of 16 spaces. So, the centimeter measurement of this segment, I line my ruler up at 0, and the whole number is 8. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half spaces. So that would be a decimal 5, 5. Now, I had a problem at the beginning lining it up. I can line it up at any one of these whole numbers and count the whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5.5 millimeters. The whole number represents centimeters, so the label is for centimeters. Now, the same segment, if I use an inch ruler, again, line it up one end at 0 and count the whole numbers. 1, 2, 3. There are, line it up again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of 16 spaces. That's the same thing as 3/8. If I count the 8 ones, 1, 2, 3/8. Either way, the whole number were in inches, so my answer then is 3 3/8 of an inch. And again, if my ruler doesn't fit, I can line it up at any number I want and count how many whole numbers there are. 1, 2, 3. Then there are 6 out of 16 spaces, so I still get 3 3/8.